Hello everyone, welcome to MR.Hira channel. Today I am going to show you that how to clean your computer's C partition, or rather local disk C. So shall we talk more after going to the video? First, I will show you the free space of my computer local disk C. You can see free space of here 27.9 GB. Now I am going to type on the search bar as run. Next, I click on run. Type here as Prefetch and click on OK. Click on continue. These files are unnecessary files, so I'm going to delete these all files. Some files can't be deleted, so don't worry about it. I close this tab and I click on run again. Now I type here as temp. These files are also unnecessary files, so I am going to delete it. Again, I click on run and typing here as present temp present. These files are also unnecessary files, so I'm going to delete these files. As earlier I said, some files can't be deleted, so skip those files. Next, I'm going to delete files which are in the recycle bin. These files are saved in local disk C, so we have to delete these files too. If you have installed unnecessary apps or software, you can uninstall those things and get more space. Next, I type here as disk cleanup and I click on it. Put here ticks for all boxes and after then click on cleanup system files. Now click on OK and then click on delete files. Finally, I click on properties of local disk C. Then I click on tools and I click on optimize. In here, I choose local disk C and again I click on optimize. Next, I close all tabs. Now you can see here, local disk C has been got more space. So you can clean up your computer space using these methods. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, click like and subscribe to our channel. I'll be back with you again soon in the next video. So bye for now and stay safe everyone.